Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I said I made a video, and I hope you saw that video about these smart blinds I received. And I said they do work with the Alexa app, and you do have to have a Zigbee. And I did install the Zigbee in the video. I'll leave a video at the end of this video to show you the Zigbee that I purchased and how it works. But it does work now with Alexa. I got it all set up. I also showed you how to set the high limits and the low limits, how to adjust that, how you do that. To save the favorite, you have to do to save a favorite is basically hold down the square and the heart, and that saves the favorite where you want it to be exactly. Also, you can control the speed of the blind by going in the back of the unit. There's a P1 button. You hold that down. You get a confirmation from the shade. Hold down the square again, and then basically the speed up and speed down. Basically, that'll increase the speed of the blind up, speed up and down, so you can raise the speed of which it goes up and down. So this is all set up here. As you can see, I do have it all set up for a favorite. Let me just show you how that works real quick. So let's say, let's lower it down here. And let's just say, okay, I want to stop it there, right there. And I said I just want to hit my favorite. I just tap the favorite button, the heart, and basically it goes back up to one of my favorite spots, which is actually matches the other blind. So what I want to do is just show you how the Alexa works. So Alexa, open big blind.
Okay.
So you can see how it responds to the voice. It'll open it. It'll stop at the predetermined spot that I already designed for it. I set up for it. And that's where it stops. And now I can say, Alexa, close big blind.
Okay.
So you can see now it's going to close all the way down to the low point that I want it to stop at. So it'll go all the way to the end. If I want to stop it midway, I just hit the pause button. If I want to go back to my favorite, I'd hit the favorite button, back to my favorite. So that's pretty much how it works with the Alexa app. It works really, really well. You can be anywhere in your house. You can be anywhere, which is great. You can tell it to open the blind, close the blind. And I did use the Zigbee, and I'll just show you that real quick. Right over here. Here is the Zigbee behind my unit here. I just plugged it into a power supply, and you can see that in the video as well. But it does work well. It works great with Alexa. You can use it with Google Voice. You can use this with pretty much any smart home. Pretty much you just have to tell them when you purchase it which motor you want to use it with. I selected Alexa, and that's what I want. So this works great. I love it. And one more time, Alexa, open big blind.
Okay.
And there you go. Just like that. Works perfectly. So I just wanted to make an updated video. I said I was going to do it and show you, and I just wanted to show you it does work with Alexa. It works great. You can use the smart app. You can use the remote control, and you can use your voice. All very, very easily. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a video at the end of this video over here where I did the whole unboxing and review. Watch that. It's a great video. Also, it shows you how to pair it, how to do all kinds of different things, how to set up all the different features. So definitely watch that video. If you're interested in these blinds, there'll be a link down below. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission, as you all do know. It is helps my channel. It does cost you nothing. So I do appreciate that as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's what it's all about. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Hope you enjoyed all this video. And we got a nice segment coming up with all kinds of clothing coming up under $10, men's and women's. So check that out. It's coming up soon too as well. So like this video, comment. It helps me. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next review. And smart blinds are the way to go. I absolutely love them.